Hi everybody and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay guys, we're going to carry on and do another fake donut. So here's our fake donut. Now I'm going to cover this one with what I would say is fake balls, which are going to be like sugar balls. That's what I'm going to say they are. So I've got these are foam ones, and basically I'm going to use those. So all I'm going to do is put some PVA or school glue all around there and stick some on, and then it should look marvellous. So let me just show you how I do that now. So all you do is liberally put this on. Now this will dry clear, so don't worry if it looks white, because it's not a problem about it showing as white at the moment. But yes, that was what I wanted to show you. So without further ado, let's get some of these, and I'm just going to stick them on literally in different places. And if I can, I need to be careful because if I do touch the glue, it will stick to my hands. I mean, it's quite hot here at the moment, so my hands are a little bit moist, if you know what that is. If you don't, look it up on that luxury search engine of yours. Okay, so I think that's enough of the white ones. So let me just pick those odd ones up and get on to the yellow ones. So like I said, this is going to be, I think, like sugar balls. That's what I'm going to say. So that's the topping theme on this one. So let me just liberally stick these round. And all being well, I'm quite pleased how it looks already, guys. Are you? What do you think? Tell me in the comments below what you think, and we can go from there. And if there's any particular fake donut you'd like me to try and make for you guys to show you what to do, just let me know in the comments below, and I will have a little go at it. Okay, I think we're nearly there. Oh, look at that. One more there. Okay, so we've got this kind of thing going on. So doesn't that look marvellous? So these are sugar balls, we're going to call these. Lemon and, I don't know, vanilla or something. But yeah, that's the way we roll, guys. That's how it's going to be. So, okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and do everything else you're supposed to do on YouTube channels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the next tutorial. Okay, bye-bye for now.